What a long yet fast, crazy roller coaster of a year. Oh, the places we went, the garments we printed, and the lives we've changed. And that's just here on YouTube. We wanted to give you guys sort of a recap top 10 best of list featuring some of our favorite products from the year. Everything's gonna be available right now on AAPrintSupplyCo.com. We chose these items based on their strength of use case and value in their particular niches. 2023 is gonna be even bigger and better, so expect a different lineup next year. Now, I know you guys already subscribed, and I know you already hit the thumbs up button, but before we dive into it, let's give some love for our honorable mentions. Can't talk about the reigning, defending, undisputed, universal, heavyweight digital printing champions of the world in the field of direct-to-garment printing without honorably mentioning Kathari NeoRip. How do you unlock the true potential of America's #1 selling direct-to-garment printers, the Epson F2100 and the Epson F3070? You upgrade your RIP software, get better print quality on your complicated images, save money on ink, print direct-to-film transfers with ease, and take control of your heavy production with our optional barcode automation add-on. This is truly an investment that will pay you back in your business, and it's for those reasons and more we had to put on our honorable mention list of 2022. Speaking of direct-to-film, earlier this year we released an awesome comprehensive series as far as what goes into direct-to-film film. Now, as far as performance is concerned, I have been blown away by this offering from DTF Station. It prints well, holds the ink good, no static issues with any powder around my images, and it feels great. Available in sheets and roll options, this is a must-try no matter what printer you're running on your next direct-to-film printing project. That's why we've made it an honorable mention for 2022. Definitely a must-try. I'm not gonna say this is the best vinyl cutter ever made, but I'm also gonna say that it's not. You can tell that Siser really put their heart and soul into this machine. And it all started with the Juliet right here. Aside from the beautiful construction, you can navigate all the preloaded handy settings for all their popular heat transfer materials right here on this convenient touchscreen. HTV, decals, heat transfer paper, this baby does it all. And it's quiet and fast. As a stepping stone into garment decorating, or adding a new revenue stream / side hustle like decals, this machine had to make our top 10 list. I don't know about you guys, but I'm what you'd call a bang for your buck kind of person. That's why this is my favorite sublimation printer by far. Have you seen how cheap the ink is? Comes with 2 full sets of it, CMYK, 300 feet of sublimation paper, and its own dedicated Epson Edge Print Pro software. This is pretty much everything you would need to tackle any sublimation job out there. On the merits of OEM quality, top to bottom, that's why this is our sublimation printer of choice for 2022. As we shift gears over to direct-to-garment for a moment, it's worth mentioning how crucial a good pre-treat method is for DTG. Over the last few years, we've seen the full evolution of the Mr. T line of pre-treat equipment. And now I present to you the Mr. T2 Pro. Aside from dual nozzle functionality, this open-air design can accommodate dozens of garments at a time for super quick efficiency in your direct-to-garment workflow. With the 4-channel system for all your different pre-treats, cleaning solutions, or distilled water, this machine is fully loaded. An automated pre-treat machine is the key to consistency in direct-to-garment, and because of the value of this unit, it's earned a spot on our list. So you got your new pre-treat machine, what direct-to-garment printer are you gonna run with it? You guys saw, America's #1 DTG is the dual-threat weapon of choice for more digital print shops nationwide than any other machine. The print quality speaks for itself, but the user-friendly, no daily maintenance golden child of the Epson printing family really sells itself. Packed with the nation's leading warranty protection plan, it's no surprise this machine landed on our top 10 list for 2022. If you're running any sort of direct-to-film system, a curing oven is going to be the luxury you never knew you needed. Why hover dry your powder prints with your heat press when you can keep production running by drying them independently in a curing oven? As far as efficiency goes, this thing is loaded with value. And because we can all agree that time is money, this thing had to get a spot on our top 10 list for 2022. The desktop print shop needs no introduction. If you stop by any of the trade shows this year, I hope you got a chance to behold this machine here, the Prestige A3 Plus R. Individual cut sheets? Check. Roll media up to 13 inches wide? Check. Produces transfers that'll apply to virtually any material out there? Double check. We literally have a training on this machine every week, and it comes loaded with different features. Because of all the awesome features this thing comes loaded with, I'm surprised this thing didn't make #1 on our list. This is a perfect, ideal, budget-friendly machine to take that deep dive into apparel decorating. The next item on our list is a time saver, money saver, and an effort saver. Don't let the size fool you, this machine is built to perform. And with the maximum media width of up to 13 inches, this guy is capable of keeping up with the fastest direct-to-film printer on the market today, which we'll get to in just a moment. Not one, not two, not three, not four, but 5 infrared heating lamps under the hood of the machine produce even powder drying every print. The advanced take-up reel tension bar system works in tandem with the other sensors for a truly hands-free autopilot production setting. Because it's designed to keep with any DTF roll system on the market today, we like to have it paired up with all of our direct-to-film machines available now. All the parents out there, it's hard to pick a favorite child, right? But you have one. You see me on this channel raving about our Prisma line of heat press machines, and the swing away is definitely my favorite. I love this range of motion that we have here, the hover functionality for drying direct to film prints, and the 16x20 size really covers all your bases as far as garment decorating is concerned. The space between the platens allows for a variety of different sublimation goods as well that wouldn't normally fit in a clamshell heat press. Tech support, warranty, robust build-in construction, what's not to love? It's for all these reasons and more, plus the fact this works with all of our different heat transfer options. That's the reason we made this our Heat Press of the Year for 2022. In our line of work, no best of or top 10 list would be complete without mentioning the direct-to-garment printing powerhouse, the mighty F3070. One pass, full color, high resolution garment printing. Super low cost ink thanks to the revolutionary bulk ink system. Prints a men's size dark garment in under a minute for under $1. The printer detects the height of the loaded garment, and the printhead carriage, carrying 2 industrial printheads, physically raises and lowers itself through automation to find the optimum proximity for printing. We saved our favorite for last, and this is no surprise, our 2022 product of the year is by far the Prestige XL2 DTF printer. Firstly, this 24-inch roll option is quite possibly the fastest direct-to-film machine on the market today. With an astounding 100 square feet per hour at a breathtaking 720 by 1800 DPI, your prints are going to come out fast and look incredible. A truly industrial option, this machine even comes loaded with features for safety and efficiency. You can click up here for the full breakdown on this very machine we shot at Printing United this year. Plus the included bracket system for your computer and monitor is a nice bonus as well. I can go on and on about the lives this machine is going to change and the business it's going to benefit, but that's why this machine made the #1 product on our list for 2022. As we look forward to 2023 and say goodbye to 2022, we'd like to thank you for making us a part of your viewing experience here on YouTube and trusting us to build your business. It's our hope this recap video will give you a good state of affairs as far as a barometer of where the print community stands today. For more information on all the products in our 2022 recap, go ahead and hit the links in the description below. January also marks the start of trade show season in our industry, and we've also included an events calendar so you can see where we're coming to a city near you, displaying our wide range of equipments. Make sure you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below, hit that subscribe button. From all of us here at All American Print Supply, wish you a safe and happy new year.